Here are the top 3 reasons why you should buy a new build property. Number 1, energy savings. New build properties have better than average energy efficiency rating compared to the majority of UK homes. This means that much cheaper bills, which has become a priority with increasing energy costs. Number 2, low maintenance and renovation costs. Investing in a rundown property and carrying out extensive renovation work to increase the property's value has deteriorated in the recent years due to the soaring building material and labor costs. Also, new build properties tend to come with a 10-year warranty from the NHBC, which covers a 2-year builder warranty period, followed by an 8-year insurance cover for specific aspects of the property. This can provide a peace of mind for the owner. And number 3, be chain free. A major advantage to investing in a new build is not having a chain where you are waiting for an existing owner to sell their property before you can exchange, which may cause delays. This can take a lot of the stress out of the purchase process. Also, knowing the property development completion dates allow you time to ensure your mortgage and finances are in place.